My name is Dr. Giovanni Paraliticci. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Baptist Health Medical Group. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in two fields. One is oncology, and the other one is adult hip and knee replacement. In oncology, we take care of patients that have bone or soft tissue tumors, also with patients that has metastatic disease to their bone. I had a friend that they told me that he was sick, and they told me he had a bone tumor. And that grabbed my attention. I said, wow, I never heard about any tumor in a bone. I know about other kind of cancers, but particularly that one was surprising. And since I knew that I wanted to do orthopedic surgery, I said, well, it could be a great combination. Research is extremely important. We want to know what new therapies are coming out, if new techniques are coming out, so we can get the best outcomes from our patients. Empathy is one of the most important things in this field. When patients are suffering, when they're sick, they want to see someone that can get to them and understand them. Not only with their own disease, but you gotta bear in mind that you gotta take care of their mind, body, and soul.